Welcome! Another lavish pieces by the Hemmendingers. We occasionally document all the houses that we renovate by filming and sharing out our works.
I'll just explain you. So this water is going from here to here.
Here in Japan, if you found your perfect house, it will be more perfect once it's renovated. Buying old homes can be a gamble, and when you add in renovation, things can get tricky. By renovating a traditional Japanese house, there can be joy, novelty, and stimulation in continuing to reuse and treasure the same old structure. Even with renovations, you'll be able to keep some of the uniqueness while bringing it up to date and making it truly yours. This is Eric, my husband. He moved from France to Japan in 2005 to pursue his career as an aircraft mechanic. He jumped into the niche of a French renovating almost 4 traditional houses in Osaka and is continuously pursuing to move into the next level of house renovation.